A Monroe County Sheriff's deputy is cleared of any wrongdoing following a deadly shooting back in January. The district attorney says that the deputy acted in reasonable defense of a woman being held hostage by her boyfriend. News 8's Mal Meyer talked to the DA about the decision not to pursue charges.
On January 7th, two people called 911 to report a domestic disturbance. When officers arrived, they found a man with a knife and attempted to de-escalate the situation, but were unable to do so. While some of the video is obscured, the following video may be considered disturbing and may not be suitable for young viewers.
Monroe County 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Monroe County Sheriff Deputy Jesse Murphy responded to the call.
Okay, what's going on?
After entering the home, authorities found Skylar D. Burnett with a knife holding a woman hostage on the floor.
Still got a knife to their throat.
After 15 minutes of talking, shots were fired. The Wisconsin Division of Criminal Investigation and the Wisconsin DOJ created a 400-page report of the incident, which the district attorney reviewed when considering charges.
There has to be a threat that is significant enough that the officer perceives it to be a threat against the life of the other individual or themselves.
The district attorney says he's reviewed other cases of deadly force.
There was at least 44 times where he was told to drop the knife.
Before recruits can become a deputy, they undergo 720 hours of training, which includes learning about deadly force.
Definition of deadly force is the justification of the use of deadly force. And that's constantly being trained.
Though the department stresses the many ways to de-escalate a situation.
The main one is the verbal, talking to them. Get them to calm down.
The DA says it further justifies the deputy's actions.
Usually there isn't this long of a time frame as far as between initial contact and a shot being fired.
Because of the hostage situation, the DA believes officers were not able to use force before shots were fired.
We are always striving for the minimal amount of force used. But when we have to use deadly force, we use that to stop the threat.
It's for this reasoning that the district attorney declined to pursue charges.
If we can't meet a beyond a reasonable doubt burden, we're not going to proceed with any sort of criminal case.
Since the district attorney decided not to press charges, the deputy will be able to return from administrative leave. However, the deputy is not back in the rotation quite yet.
Thanks a lot, Mal. The district attorney is not aware of any cases in that county where charges were filed against a law enforcement officer after use of deadly force.